Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 62nd video in this series. It means that we have already covered 61 real exam questions जो students को real PT paper में आए भी हैं, and we have discussed the strategies as well as hacks, how to crack them. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE, and in this series we see those same hacks, strategies which has helped me and a lot of students also to achieve their target score, and if you follow those strategies you will be also able to achieve your target score. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. In PTE now is accepted in UK, so if you want to study, work or settle in UK, you can do it through PTE, and 90% of universities in Canada now accept PTE academic. PTE reading is of 32 to 41 minutes. It is scored out of 90. The answer is no. It is scored out of 47 and it has got 5 question types, and today's topic, which is reorder paragraph, and is the third question type in this order, and we are now going to discuss it. But before that, let's see the complete scoring of reading. As you can see, the reading module contributes 47 marks, but usme 6 marks are for reorder paragraphs. So if you are getting 2 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 3 marks each. So if your target is 65 or 7 bands, or your target is 79 or 8 bands, you have to make sure that your reorder paragraphs are getting correct. And now how much time you can devote to one reorder paragraph? That answer is 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, you have to do the skimming for finding the independent line. You have to apply a strategy or hacks, and then you have to make pairs. And then you have to confirm whatever pairs you have made are correct or not. And this is today's reorder paragraph. And as usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this. Okay, so in reorder paragraph, we do the first thing is skimming for finding independent line, and concluding line is optional. And we have certain rules and strategies for finding independent line. For example, it cannot have pronouns, right? And it shouldn't be dependent on other lines. So let's get started. So however, there are also some exceptions to this. ये आपकी कभी भी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं हो सकती. हाउएवर आ गया कंट्रास्टिंग व्यू है, तो जनरली कंट्रास्टिंग व्यू वाले हमेशा लास्ट लाइन होती है, राइट? So that's why this will not be your independent line. Now let's move on to the next line. Animals protein has a 7% of the leucine. The आ गया leucine के साथ. It means that leucine already कहीं पे described होगा, which is higher than those in plants protein. So अगर ये already कहीं defined है, so this cannot be your independent line also. Amino acid, which is also known as leucine, see यहाँ पे defined है, is a fundamental element in the muscles formation. Though it is found in both animals and plants, it has more uses for the former. तो अगर आप देखिए, this seems to be our independent line. Why? Because यहाँ पे leucine introduce हो रहा है. Plants protein content of leucine usually do not go beyond 4%. यही चीज जहाँ पे plants की बात हो रही है, leucine की बात हो रही है, it cannot be independent because हमारे leucine plants animals कहाँ introduce हो रहे हैं इस line में. So we are going to use process of elimination. We are eliminating all the wrong options and we are just left with one line, which is our independent line. Okay, now you know however वाली line है, so generally ये last में होगी. Now what you have to do is you have to think कि plants वाली line first आएगी या animals वाली line first आएगी, and that's it. आपको ये decide करना है second line ये बनेगी या second line ये बनेगी. And how to decide? Based on our TO strategy, topic order strategy, which says that अगर दो चीज़ों की बात हो रही है ए एंड बी की, सो पहले आप ए की बात करोगे, उसके बाद बी की बात करोगे। सो यहाँ पे आप देखिए किसकी बात हो रही है, यहाँ पे एनिमल्स की बात हो रही है एंड प्लांट्स की। सो पहले किसकी बात होगी, एनिमल्स की बात होगी एंड उसके बाद प्लांट्स की बात होगी। सो सेकेंड लाइन कौन सी बनेगी आपकी, एनिमल्स वाली। दिस इज गोइंग टू बी आवर सेकेंड लाइन, ओके। So we are going to select it, we are going to drag it to make it the second line and then यहाँ पे अब आपको पता है थर्ड लाइन कौन सी होगी, plants वाली। So over here अब वैसे भी एक ही लाइन बची है but you know that however की बात हो रही है। So यहाँ पे आपका however contrasting view present करता है, second view को start कर रहा होता है। So that's why however will be at the end in this paragraph. Okay. Now let's see if all the answers are correct or not. As you can see, all the answers are correct. So you see how easy things can be. Like अगर आप independent line find out कर पाए, topic order strategy, however, which is our logical order strategy, just using these three strategies, you are able to solve your reorder paragraphs and you can quickly do in 2 minutes if you know these strategies. So what are our strategies? Our first strategy is finding independent line. आपको independent line कैसे find out करनी है? There are certain rules to that. Then BS strategy, which is brought to specific strategy. CO strategy, chronological order strategy. LO strategy, logical order strategy, connectors. Today we have seen however. However always is in the last or it presents the second view. So last में होता है. TO strategy, you have seen its usage today. Topic order strategy कि पहले animals की बात होगी, फिर plants की बात होगी. AB strategy, abbreviation strategy, SO strategy, subject object strategy and last sentence rule. So these are our strategies which we are going to use to solve reorder paragraphs. But remember one thing, you just have 2 minutes to solve them. So in first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content, find an independent line, try to find conclusion line, and always remember conclusion line is an optional one. Maybe you are able to find or maybe you are not able to. And in the next 30 to 60 seconds, apply our strategies, hacks to make pairs, and so that you can solve your reorder paragraphs within 2 minutes. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students have achieved their target score. If they have achieved, you can also, and these are some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if these guys can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you have any question or doubt, you can contact us. If you want to take online coaching or offline coaching in our institute, you are more than welcome. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.